Hey you guys, it's Brave Girl. Welcome back to my channel. I am going to be working on a project today. This is a vintage lingerie dresser chest of drawers, and I sanded them down and took out all the drawers. This is what they look like. They're not very pretty. The color's not cute at all, but I'm going to repaint this, and then I'm also going to add a special touch that I've been wanting to use, these really cool vintage butterfly posters, and I'm thinking of doing a decoupage type art on this dresser. So I can't wait to show you guys the reveal of that and work on this today and finish it to show you guys that. And I want to take a second right now to thank all of my subscribers for watching and subscribing to my channel. You guys really make a difference. You guys have really encouraged me along, and I really enjoy making these videos for you. And I hope to do a lot more, and I love doing art and showing you everything that I create and also my adventures. So if you haven't already, just click subscribe, and I'd love to have you join my channel. So thanks you guys so much, and stay tuned for the reveal of this.